McCarthy uwchrimanu ddi mewn ar I drod chwith. Lewis ar peniad clir i'r amddiffynwr canol, ond dros y bar gan Emlyn Lewis. Cyfle cynta'r gêm yn dod i'r myfyrwyr. Mae gan Dylan Rhys at y postyn pella. Alaric Jones nôl at Fawcett ac yna oedd hi ar y linell y wyrthiol ac yna Wilson ac oedd hi ar y linell gan chwaraewr ei hunan, ond mae yna gam sefyll ar y linell a dwi'n meddwl taw Kyle Patton nath rwystro peniad Jack Wilson rhag fynd I mewn. Wel, y cyfle gorau eto yn y gêm yn dod wedi bron chwarter awr o chwarae. Rhys at Mason Jones-Thomas. Mae heibio I Chubb gan ddefnyddio I gyflymdra. Mae'n parhau I fynd Jones-Thomas. Ergyd eisiau. Ergyd nerthol. Mason Jones-Thomas yn hedfan heibio'r postyn. Mason Jones-Thomas wedi symud yma I ddol y bont o ben y bont yn casglu'r bêl. Heibio I Chubb. Un peth ar I feddwl mor anlwcus. Y myfyrwyr wedi glynu at yr un dacteg trwy'r nos. Tafliad hir Matthew Chubb. Emlyn Lewis lan o'r cefn. Fe sy'n cael y cyffyrddiad. Warman! Ar arbediad yn ei dda gan Idzi. Warman yr eilydd I gyfle cynta ar ei drod chwith. Ond ar arbediad yn ei dda gan Idzi.
You know, it was important we got off the mark. You know, we spoke about it, we trained for it in the week. Clean sheet was important at home. You know, we got to gain as many points here as what we can. And, you know, obviously, you know, offensively, I think we were fairly poor tonight. But defensively, I thought we were well. To a man, I think we matched them. You know, Idzi pulled a good save off at the end. But other than that, he hasn't had that much to do in terms of saves. You know, we've cleared our lines well and we've cut out a lot of things. So it was important.
I think important for us to see was to make sure that we move forward from last week, and it could have been easy for the players to hide behind opposition, wanting to receive the ball. But you saw from the outset tonight we were on the front foot all night. First half we played some really nice football. We got in behind them, which caused them problems. In second half it was relentless. It was all us. Elliot should score inside the first couple of minutes. Elliot lobs the keeper. Should score. Adams fizzed the lovely ball across the box. Constantly us. Emlyn's probably a header, and then right at the end Liam Warman has got the chance to win the game for us. So we're delighted that we've kept the clean sheet and we've moved on from the result last week.